Do you know what is the first year actual cost to study in Lviv National Medical University? Do you know who all are the official representative of Lviv National Medical University in India? Why to choose Lviv National Medical University for your MBS program through ITCS? Today, we will discuss all these points. It's an exclusive, informative video for Lviv National Medical University. Please stay tuned till the end of this video to get the complete information. Hello, greetings of the day. My name is Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services, Bangalore. Welcome to our channel, ITCS Overseas Education. I am going to start the detailed presentation exclusive for Lviv National Medical University. Let's begin the presentation. Lviv National Medical University. It is situated at Lviv Oblast, Ukraine. When we talk about Lviv National Medical University, we will get to know that it is recognized through all across the globe. It is recognized through Medical Council of India. It is recognized through ECFMG. It is recognized through European accreditation. It is recognized through Canadian Medical Association. It is recognized through WHO, European Union, WFME, FEMR. So, Lviv National Medical University, it's a national university and has all the recognition required for a university to validate their degree across the globe. In this presentation, we are going to discuss in detail first about the complete introduction about the Lviv National Medical University, then why to choose Lviv, then we will let you know also who all are the authorized Indian representative for this particular university, how you can get admission to this particular university, and last we'll discuss about the fee structure of this particular university. When we talk about Lviv National Medical University, it is one of the oldest university in Ukraine. It has more than 150 teachers and professors ensuring good attention given to every student. University is started in 1784, globally recognized degree on the end western part of Ukraine near to Poland. So in short, we can say it is one of the oldest university of the Ukraine, recognized, have accreditations of all, have recognized through all international recognition bodies. MCI approved university, degrees valid in India, students and graduates of this medical schools are eligible to apply to ECFMG or ECFMG certification and for the examination. Ukraine is a Bologna member, so it follows European standard education, eligible to write exams like USMLE, LAB, CROC, IFEM, MRCP, FSCP through this particular university. Cost of living, once we talk about this particular university, cost of living is extremely low in Ukraine as compared to any other European countries. It hardly costs $130 per month. It is approximately 8,000 Indian rupees towards living cost in Ukraine. Ukraine offers moderate weather conditions in comparison to the other part of the Ukraine. Therefore, Indian students studying MBBS in Ukraine are very happily staying with warm-hearted local people. So overall, we can say this is one of the finest destination for study abroad, MBBS. Why to choose Lviv? When we talk about this particular point, we have lots of points, but we are highlighting you few of them. This particular university has highest MCI passing ratio as per the data released by the MCI for the last year 2019. This particular university has the highest CROC exam qualified students as per the data released by the Ukraine Ministry of Education. As it's a rumor across the students, across the parents, that Ukraine has lots of corruption issues, but we can assure you that the city called Lviv, here there is no corruption across the entire Lviv. World class infrastructure. University having has recognized under the National University of the Ukraine, and it is also called as student city. Here lots of other curriculums, other faculties are available apart from the medical. So it's a friendly place for the students where they can get a very good competitive environment for study. Excellent quality of education with classes conducted in 100% English medium. The Lviv National Medical University fee structure is quite economical and affordable for all international students and precisely Indian students. Lviv National Medical University is one of the top class MBBS college in Ukraine. When we talk about the fee structure, nobody is going to show you in this way the detailed fee structure. The tuition fee of this Lviv is $4,900. It's a 5.8 years of the curriculum, that is 6 years total it requires. So every year we can pay tuition fee of $4,900. Here we have a hostel facility, starts from $900. This $900 hostel is very close to the university buildings. And apart from that, in a first year, you need many local supports. For that, we are charging only $1,200. And we will give you the detailed information about that, what this $1,200 consists of. So total first year fee for this Lviv comes is 7,000 USD, and across for the 6 years program you require $36,000. One important information for all the students, those are looking to get the seat with this particular university. Till date, Lviv is providing insurance facility year wise, means we have to take yearly medical insurance. But there is a information from the university side, from this year onwards they may start taking the whole 6-year insurance in one shot. If it comes under applicable from session of 2021, the additional cost will come $300 to $600. When we talk about the fee structures of others, that is $1,200, for what purpose the contractor or official representative is charging. This $1,200 is actually needed for local police registration fee at Ukraine, visa extension charges at Ukraine. We need to provide you the pickup facility from the university nearby airport to the initial days hotel accommodation. This entire cost comes under this fees only. Initial days outside hotel or flat accommodation, food facility at Ukraine. Till the time students are not getting the hostels, till the time they have not accommodated properly, we takes care everything, that is staying at Ukraine, staying at Lviv, local transportation, food facility, entire things we take care under this cost only. In first year, student has to go for medical checkup, that is also included into this cost only. We under this cost we also cover first year of insurance also. If there is a program for 6 year of insurance starts getting applicable from this intake, we will remove that fees and we can put from here itself. In others cost also include library registration cost, practical session that is called sanitary book registration cost. We also provide local SIM card with 1 month of unlimited data validity. We also provide or help to the student for opening the bank account in Ukraine, registration of Indian students in the nearest Indian embassy or consulate, notarized translation in Ukrainian of documents, equivalency certificate from Ukrainian Ministry of 12th mark sheet and certificate for admission purpose, and also immigration clearance at airport. So all these services which is listed here comes under the cost of $1,200 only. So that's the thing. Conclusion, we can say first year we charge only 7,000 USD, and from the second year onwards you require 5,800 USD to sixth year to complete your medical course of 5.8 years. When we talk about the Ukraine education, the medical universities get constant help from the Ukraine government for maintaining the standard of education. The students who graduates from a Ukraine medical university can work in any part of the world. The quality of education and infrastructure in Ukraine medical college is very good, very excellent. So you can select this university without keeping any second thought in your mind. Now, why to study in Ukraine? European Union standard education. As you know, Ukraine follows the European Union standard education. Ukraine is a member of Bologna. Ukraine is a part of Bologna member, and so you can get the best quality education standards. They have multiple cross checks like provision of CROC and IFEM for better studies. As you know, many other countries don't have any kind of cross check exams for the students. So they are completing their MBBS degree from the university, but when they are returning back to India, they are not able to clear the next exam. They are not able to clear the MCI screening exam. So it's better we should always go through the multiple stages of exams so that we can get better knowledge, we can improve ourselves more and more. The college tests you continuously so that stay at the top level, and IFM gives you the access to study in Europe. And the best part, lowest living cost with the European standard living style. If you compare Ukraine with other European Union countries like Poland, like Germany, your minimum accommodation or living cost comes under 300 to 400 euros per month. But here within 150 to 200 dollars monthly basis, you can stay comfortably and you can enjoy the study of Ukraine. So definitely Ukraine is the best destination to study. Now, when we talk about the official representative, authorized representative of this particular university, you can see there is a link which I have mentioned, link for checking the authorization. This link you can click or you can type in the web browser and you can see there is a lots of names will come for the different zone. For Karnataka zone, you can find our name mentioned into the university website. Our office address is in HSR Layout, Bangalore. Our company website www.itcslimited.com clearly mentioned into the official representative list of this particular university. So for any kind of admission support, for any kind of further inquiry related to this university, you are always welcome to us. You can contact us. Now, if you want to know more about ITCS, Below, we are also going to show the entire links of our website, our YouTube link, our feedback, remarks, everything. Through that, we have our own office at Ukraine also, that is at Kyiv. We have office at Russia. We have our registered office at Bangalore. So any places you can contact for further any admission supports. Hope you have gone through the complete video with us and came to know that ITCS is the official representative for Lviv National Medical University, Lviv, Ukraine. So, if you are looking for admission support for this particular university, you can enroll through us. Being an official representative of this university, we will provide you the best code, best services and timely delivered services. For any support, call on our below mentioned details. We also provide online counseling through Google Meet, Zoom call and webinar for outsiders of Bangalore residents. You can contact us anytime, we are available. Please subscribe, like and share our channel. Shortly we will back with the information of new university. Thank you and have a nice day.